Hello, this is Mommy J of City Global College, and today I'm gonna be discussing the topic about computer network types. Okay, so before anything else, what is a computer network anyway? Well, generally, computer networks are distinguished based on their geographical span. A network can be as small as distance between your mobile phone and its Bluetooth headphone, and as large as the internet itself, covering the whole geographical world. And why people are so interested in computer networks and what they can be used for? Well, many organizations have a substantial number of computers in operation, often located far apart. Well, for example, a company with many factories may have a computer at each location to keep track of their inventories, to monitor their productivity, and do the local payroll. Well, to put in slightly more general form, the issue here is the resource sharing. And the goal is to make all the programs, equipment, and especially the data available to anyone on the network without regards to the physical location. And the second goal of the computer network is to provide high reliability by having alternative source of supply. For example, all files could be replicated on 2 or 3 machines, so if one of them is unavailable due to hardware failure, the other copies could still be used. And another goal is saving money. Well, obviously, small computers have a much better price-performance ratio than the large ones, like the mainframes or those room-sized computers that are obviously they cost 1,000 times more. Okay, so another networking goal is the scalability. This is the ability to increase the system's performance gradually as the workload grows just by adding more processors. And of course, a computer network can provide a very powerful communication medium among widely separated employees. Alright, so let's go ahead and learn the different types of computer networks. Well, the first is the Personal Area Network, or the PAN, or the PAN. A Personal Area Network, or PAN, is the smallest network which is very personal to a user. This may include Bluetooth or infrared-enabled devices. It has connectivity range up to 10 meters. PAN may include wireless computer keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth-enabled headphones, wireless printers, and TV remotes. Local Area Network, or the LAN, is another type of a computer network. A computer network spanned inside a building and operated under single administrative system is generally termed as Local Area Network, or the LAN, or LAN. Usually, LAN covers an organization's office, schools, colleges, or universities. Numbers of systems connected in LAN may vary from as little as 2 to as much as 16 million. LAN provides a usual way of sharing the resources between end users. The resources such as printers, file servers, scanners, and internet are easily shareable among computers. So here are the examples of local area networks setting. So LANs are composed of inexpensive networking and routing equipment. It may contain local servers serving file storage and other locally shared applications. It mostly operates on private IP addresses and does not involve heavy routing. LAN works under its own local domain and controlled centrally. So LAN uses either Ethernet or token ring technology. Ethernet is most widely employed LAN technology and uses star topology, while token ring is rarely seen. It can also be wired, wireless, or in both forms at once. Another is Metropolitan Area Networks, or the MAN. So, Metropolitan Area Network expands throughout a city such as cable TV network. It can be in the form of Ethernet, token ring, ATM, or fiber distributed data interface, or the FDDI. Metro Ethernet is a service which is provided by the IPS. This service enables its users to expand their local area network. So for example, MAN can help an organization to connect all of its offices in the cities. So, well, basically, the Metropolitan Area Network is the bigger version of the LAN and normally uses similar technology. It might cover a group of nearby corporate offices or a city and might be either private or public. So the backbone of the MAN is high capacity and high speed fiber optics. MAN works in between local area networks and wide area network. And also Metropolitan Area Network uplink for LANs to WANs or Internet. So the last but not the least is the Wide Area Network, or the WAN, or the WAN. Well, as the name suggests, it covers a wide area which may span across provinces and even a whole country. Well, it also spans a large geographical area, not just a country, but it can also expand to the continent. Well, generally, telecommunication networks are wide area networks. These networks provide connectivity to MANs and LANs. Since they are equipped with a very high-speed backbone, WANs use very expensive network equipment. So this is the example of the wide area network setup. So the WAN may use advanced technologies such as asynchronous transfer mode, or the ATM, frame relay, and the synchronous optical network, or the SONET. WAN may be managed by a multiple administration. Okay, so in WAN or the wide area network, the hosts are connected by a communication subnet, or just subnet for short. Well, the job of this subnet is to carry messages from host to host, just like the telephone system carries words from speaker to listener. So by separating pure communication aspect of the network from the application aspect, the complete network design is greatly simplified. So in most wide area network also, the subnet consists of two distinct components. So these components are the transmission lines and the switching element. So the transmission lines are also called the circuits, the channels, or those we are calling the trunks. So the switching elements, on the other hand, are specialized computers used to connect two or more transmission lines. Alright, so those are the types of computer networks. So we have personal area network, we have local area network, we also have metropolitan area network, and the wide area network. Well then, for our next video tutorial, we will be posting the topic about the network LAN technologies. Alright, thank you for watching and listening. Bye-bye now.